Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be opening a Mini Brands Disney Store edition, just one of them. So let's begin. Oh, so tough to open. There we go. First layer. Second layer. Okay. Open the tab. And voila. Okay, let's see. Okay, first one. Captain America shield. Let's just see what expectations do I have. Love to get one of the figurines, like a Barbie, Minnie Mouse. Ah, Baby Yoda would be awesome. Okay, let's see what's next. Of course, it's Captain America himself. Not mad at that. That's okay. Okay, next. Let's see what we have now. Yes! Fabulous. Okay, one of the Disney princesses. And, okay, Star Wars. Awesome. I think that was all. No, one more left. And last of all, Mickey Mouse in a little car. Remote controlled car. Awesome. Okay, all in all, I'm happy. Not a bad haul at all. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.